Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Animated Live Wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Then download this free app from Mad Scientist developer. When it's ready, open it. Now you need to select those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings at the top. Following that, click on I accept in this pop-up and manage all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. Then click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time you need to select the Save Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of those options. So now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!